Okay. Well, I know, but gosh, in it's college stuff, some of these people are 4 or 5 pages long. But yeah, I agree with you on this one here. There's a lot I'm going to cut out. I'm not going to cut out I'll cut out my research. I'll cut out my awards and stuff like that. Right. Okay. Right. 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 And to teach them history.